That to honor the anointing of his house. This grace is able to bring Micaiah in this house. There's so much grace in this house. And the rest are so. Those who believe in this grace, doors will be open. Number two, if you want this anointing to work for you, the anointing of this house, don't make no mistake to gossip about these two people. You will miss your miracle. Don't stand behind the man of God. Or don't stand against the men and women of God. This anointing will never work for you. Be careful of the snakes. They speak in tongues, but they are the snakes. Siyathunga ngapha. Ngasese bayaphishisa.